Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your Steam Deck the first time if you just got it. So I have it charging right now, and your Steam Deck may be a little bit low on battery. It could be at like 40%, 50%, but go ahead and just charge this up. This drains your battery pretty quick, but if you look at the top here, there is a little power button that we want to go ahead and press. So if we just press it once, it should turn on. And you can see mine is on right now. And the first time you turn on, it may take a little bit of time before it actually powers on. So if I hold this down now, I have the options to shut down, restart, change account, switch to desktop, etc. So I can shut it down right here. So let's go to confirm. And you're going to want to connect to the internet so you can download any kind of updates and then sign in to Steam right away. So you can see it's completely shut down. Have it charging. Let's go ahead and just press this and turn it on. So if I just do one press, you can see this little light flash, and then I'm going to get the symbol here, and it should turn on. So it does take a little bit of time for this to boot up. So maybe like give it 30 seconds to fully boot up, and it's still going, but you should be good to go. Just have to press that power button, and then make sure you're charging it. If it doesn't turn on, you can charge it for like 15-20 minutes and keep trying to hold this down and press it down, and it should start up. One of the reasons it's not starting could just because it's simply out of battery. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.